What is the minimum safe following distance in normal driving conditions? A. 1 second. B. 2 seconds. C. 3 seconds. D. 5 seconds. Answer: C. A 3-second following distance allows enough time to react if the car ahead suddenly stops, reducing the risk of collision. When approaching a railroad crossing without gates, you should: A. Speed up to cross quickly. B. Slow down and look both ways before crossing. C. Ignore if no train is visible. D. Stop completely every time. Answer: B. Slowing down and checking both directions ensures safe crossing and prevents accidents. What does a double yellow line in the center of the road indicate? A. Passing is allowed in both directions. B. No passing in either direction. C. Bicycle lane. D. Parking zone. Answer: B. Double yellow lines prohibit passing due to limited visibility or safety hazards. When parking uphill without a curb, which way should the front wheels be turned? A. Toward the street. B. Toward the edge of the road. C. Straight. D. Either direction. Answer: A. Turning wheels toward the street prevents the car from rolling into traffic if the brakes fail. What should you do if a traffic officer is directing you to go while the light is red? A. Obey the officer and proceed. B. Wait for the light to turn green. C. Honk to acknowledge the officer. D. Make a U-turn immediately. Answer: A. Officer directions take precedence over traffic signals, ensuring safety and compliance. In foggy conditions, which lights should you use? A. High beams. B. Low beams. C. Parking lights only. D. Hazard lights only. Answer: B. Low beams reduce glare and improve visibility in fog, while high beams can reflect off fog and reduce vision. When merging onto a freeway, you should: A. Stop at the end of the on-ramp. B. Match the speed of traffic and merge safely. C. Always yield to vehicles in the left lane only. D. Accelerate beyond freeway speed. Answer: B. Matching traffic speed allows a smooth and safe merge without disrupting flow. What does a flashing yellow traffic signal mean? A. Stop completely. B. Proceed with caution. C. Pedestrian crossing. D. Signal malfunction. Answer: B. Flashing yellow indicates a need for caution. Drivers should slow down and watch for hazards. If you are involved in a minor collision with no injuries, you must: A. Leave immediately if there is no damage. B. Exchange information and report the accident if damage exceeds $1,000. C. Call the police only if someone complains. D. Post a note and leave. Answer: B. California law requires exchanging info and reporting accidents with property damage over $1,000 or any injury. What is the maximum speed limit on most California highways unless otherwise posted? A. 55 miles per hour. B. 65 miles per hour. C. 70 miles per hour. D. 75 miles per hour. Answer: B. Most California highways have a maximum speed of 65 miles per hour unless signs indicate otherwise. When approaching a school bus with flashing red lights, you must: A. Stop in both directions. B. Slow down and pass carefully. C. Proceed if on the opposite side of a divided highway. D. Honk to alert children. Answer: A. Vehicles in both directions must stop for school buses with red flashing lights to ensure children's safety. When is it legal to turn right on a red light? A. Always. B. after stopping and ensuring no traffic or pedestrians. C. Only if a sign permits. D. Never. Answer B. Right turns on red are allowed after a full stop and checking for traffic and pedestrians unless a sign prohibits it. What is the safest way to handle a skid on ice? A. Brake hard immediately. B. Steer into the direction of the skid and release the accelerator. C. Turn the wheel opposite the skid. D. Accelerate quickly. Answer B. Steering into the skid and letting off the accelerator helps regain control without losing traction. When are you required to use your headlights? A. Only at night. B. Between sunset and sunrise or when visibility is low. C. Only in fog. D. When driving over 25 miles per hour. Answer B. Headlights are required from sunset to sunrise and during low visibility to increase safety and visibility. What should you do if your vehicle starts to hydroplane? A. Brake hard. B. Steer gently and ease off the accelerator. C. Turn sharply. D. Speed up. Answer B. Hydroplaning occurs when tires lose contact with the road. Easing off the accelerator and steering gently helps regain control. What is California's legal blood alcohol concentration (BAC) limit for drivers over 21? A. 0.05%. B. 0.08%. C. 0.1%. D. 0.15%. Answer B. The legal BAC limit for drivers over 21 is 0.08%, exceeding it is considered DUI. When approaching an uncontrolled intersection, you should A. Speed up to pass first. B. Slow down and yield to traffic on the right. C. Stop only if traffic is coming. D. Honk and proceed. Answer B. Yielding to the vehicle on your right is the standard rule at uncontrolled intersections. What is the main purpose of a diamond-shaped traffic sign? A. Regulatory instructions. B. Warning of hazards ahead. C. Directions or information. D. Indicating parking areas. Answer B. Diamond-shaped signs warn of potential hazards or changes in road conditions. When passing a bicyclist on a narrow road, what is the minimum distance you must leave? A. 2 feet. B. 3 feet. C. 4 feet. D. 5 feet. Answer B. California law requires at least 3 feet clearance to ensure bicyclist safety. When driving in heavy rain, what is the safest technique to avoid collisions? A. Maintain a safe following distance and reduce speed. B. Drive at normal speed. C. Use high beams for visibility. D. Follow closely to other cars. Answer A. Slowing down and increasing distance reduces the risk of hydroplaning and allows safe reaction time.